Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is Fan, and today I'm gonna show you how I built a daily market news AI agent for myself. And personally, I'm also investing in stock market, especially United States and the Canadian market. And one of the things I'm doing every day is every morning, 8 or 9 o'clock, 8 to 8:30, I will check the Edward Jones daily market recap website and try to get, what's the latest news about the market. And to me, I think this report actually provides me a very good overview about the macroeconomic market and also the stock market in general for the day or even for the next couple of days. So that really helped me, get the feeling about the market, understand the market. So I usually spend at least, 15 to 30 minutes, right? So I need to log into my computer and, maybe open my phone and open Edward Jones website and then scan and read all those news and understand it. So I decided to actually build AI agent to actually save my time. So actually it saved I don't know, probably at least 15 or maybe 30 minutes of my time per day. Uh, I, that's actually huge. So without further ado, I'm going to show how I build it and what looks like. So this is the daily market recap from Friday, June 6th, because today is June 7th and the market is closed. So we have three major, news. So I built AI agent flow and like this. So actually, it looks pretty straightforward. Uh, it has a starting point and it has the end of the process. So once it's started, I will try to get the date. So I will get the date in North America and the Eastern time zone because that's the market time zone. So, and then I will use a website scrap tool to, in this case, Firecrawl, to actually scrap the Edward Jones website and export it as a Markdown file. And after that, the interesting part is now I integrated with DeepSeek. So in this case, I asked DeepSeek to actually analyze and summarize all the news for me. And this is a prompt I used to prompt DeepSeek to do the work for me. So for today's Edward Jones daily market recap news, blah, blah, blah. And this is the scrapped content from Edward Jones in the previous step. And for follow below steps, first I ask the AI DeepSeek to read and understand all the news content. Then I ask it to identify the critical elements in the news, including who, when, and what happened and what going to happen. So the next step is I ask DeepSeek to summarize the title for each news. And since I do want to get notifications and share to my Discord channels right here. As you can see, currently there's none, but once the demo, you will see it actually will be populated. So I will post this daily market news to my Discord channel. So yeah, and last, just ask DeepSeek to output the content, no other sentence. So then next step, ask for each news. You need to use below format to summarize. So start with the daily market news and the current date, and then display the summarized title, and then the content of the news itself. And also the interesting part is I ask DeepSeek to provide me a bullish or a bearish sentiment with one sentence summary to support this sentiment. which we can see in a minute. So yeah, and then yeah, like I said, this is a very straightforward and to me it's a very simple workflow, but we will see how it works. Let me run it. Okay, so looks like it started, and you can see that the start, finished in less than 100 milliseconds. Now it's running on the scrap of Edward Jones, so which already finished in 8 seconds. So now DeepSeek, DeepSeek is doing the, summarization and analyze and formatting. So it looks like it's done, and you can see that. Everything's completed in green, and this is the result, from the test run. So you can see that it's daily news, North American and those things. And let's check my Discord. So you can see there is a little icon here now. So it looks like there's a new message. Yes. And there's a new message, just a post. Yeah. And we have a daily news. And since today is Saturday, so we actually got the daily news from Friday, which is June 2nd. So there are three major news. So North American equity rally on strong job data. So this is a bullish sentiment, strong job growth and a broad market gain action suggest economic resiliency and support equity market. And so employment growth exceeds expectations, but unemployment rises. So this is about Canadian employment rose by 8,800 in May, but the unemployment rate actually hits 7%. Seems to be very resilient and stable on the U.S. Job market. So this is a neutral sentiment. So it's mixed signals, suggest a balanced outlook with the rate cuts likely delayed, but not off the table. So folks know that, right? So Bank of Canada decided to actually hold the rates for another time. So that's it. Yeah, like I said, this small AI tool actually, it's pretty cool, and it's actually saved me great time, so which I can use that time on something more important. So yeah, if you are interested in any new AI agent, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, feel free to leave a comments. And if you wanna know how to do this, and I have a tutorial, and you can reach out to me or join my Discord or leave a comments, so I can send you the tutorial how I build it step by step. Thanks everyone. Bye. See you next time.